Okay. February 12th, I believe. Baking some bread today. This is the first trial for this cooker. You can see that. We're gonna hit 200. So we're 2 hours and 30 minutes in. Looks like we're at 198 there. That's doing well. Let's see here. And let's get this one out here. Is that kind of sort of in frame? Not really. All right, I will move heat traps around here. So this is an unauthorized modification to Mr. Jim La Joie's all-season solar cooker. All right, are we kind of in frame here? All right, stay out of the shadow there. So it is looking that might be 197, but I'm happy with that. So this was the maiden voyage. This was built by modifying the plans that Jim made available on the SCI Wiki. I wanted to see what it was capable of if I stretched it a little bit. So, thanks for tagging along. 12 February 2024. Starting temp was right around 33 degrees Fahrenheit, an unseasonably warm day here in southern Minnesota. Thanks for tagging along.